Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the bzcat and zcat commands. They allow you to look at the contents of files that were compressed with bzip2 or gzip commands without having to uncompress the files first. Instead, these commands uncompress the files and send the output to standard out, while the compressed files are left intact. So to use bzcat, just point it at the file that you want to look at. And here's a bzipped file. And I'm going to pipe the output to the head command so that we don't have to look at the nearly 500,000 words that are in this file. Let's look at the top 6. And that's all is required. Now to use zcat, which is sometimes installed as gzcat, you do the same thing basically. So zcat, and I'll go to words.gz, and again, pipe the output to the head command. So you can see the two commands and the types of files that they work on. And now notice that both of the files, the compressed files, are still intact on my system. Well, that's your Linux tip for the bzcat and zcat commands. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.